Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell when a new video is uploaded, which is normally Mondays and Wednesdays. Alrighty guys, so here we go. Today we are having a haul video. Yeah, so this is from Glam Planners. If I said it wrong, I will put the link down below and in the video. Alright guys, so this is the same person that I bought the amazing planner cover for the beginning of September. And this is what the back looks like. This is what the insides look like. And so I got this one. And I love this. I flippin' love this. Like, it's just so hard not to say. And come on. Like, it's just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. And so me, like, love this. Yeah, so then I was looking to her site, and I got also this one. She does have some printables. She does have other what is that? Other cover sizes, so you guys can go check her out. So this is, again, the inside is plain. I don't mind that. And this is the back. Kind of looks like my other one, but it's pumpkins. Yeah, I just thought this was adorable, and it's more me. It's not I don't know, I just thought it screamed November for me, and just, it is what it is. So all right, so I'm gonna quickly share with you guys how you do this. If you have not, oops, did I drop something? Oh, I'm always dropping something. All right, so we're just going to gently take this off. This is the rings. This is another person that I bought, and I will link that below. Stickers for You by Kate. She's also on Instagram. I'll leave everybody's information down below, and you're just going to, oh, wait a minute, why is this falling? Because, you know, all right, let me get this better. Plop this in here. So yeah, it's a little hard in the beginning because they're brand new, but you kind of just work them in, and voila. I mean, I can keep this like that, but I'm gonna change it out for now. And yeah, so she already has like this dashboard that I love, and also Kate has another dashboard for January. I'm like already thinking ahead of January. I'm not gonna change my dashboards. I kind of feel like that would be a little overdoing it, but for January I definitely will. And December and January I definitely will be getting more kind of like wintry dashboards, and then for January definitely, because I've seen some with my birth months on it, and my not my birth months, my sign, like, since I'm Capricorn in January. Yes, so that is my birthday. And yeah, so that is that. She looks brand new again. Yay! All right, the lady is all dressed up and ready to party. Alrighty, so this is kind of bittersweet. I didn't do a haul last month. I bought a ton of stuff from her. But Metalhead Planner is actually going on vacation until January, and it's kind of like bittersweet, but at the same time it's like, yay, you'll be back in January. You know, I will definitely be buying some stuff, some items from her, because it's my birthday month. But yeah, so, and she also gave me these amazing goodies. She was having a D-stash, and she asked me if I would want some of these awesome things, and I really appreciate it. Some of these things I don't have. I stopped buying Happy Planner stuff. Like, not stuff, but they're stickers because, I don't know, like, but some of these are making me like, where was this book when I needed it? Yeah, so I really like that. So thank you for that, Danielle. That was really sweet of you, and I really, really appreciate it. And I definitely will be keep using these and good uses. So yes, definitely we'll pull them in to some spreads for my Happy Planner. And let's get into the items that I actually bought. I did buy a printable. What's the name of the printable again? That is not here. And I have to wait until I get some sticker paper, so I'm a little upset about that. I did get the Autumn Printable weekly kit. And yeah. So, I mean, it does say for bullet journaling, but I still love to use bullet journaling items for my spreads. I just think that they're so cute and really adorable. And yes, as you can see, I changed back my thingy so you can see it. Sorry, I don't know how to put it so that you can't. But anyways, so this is this, and so I'm guessing deco boxes and washi tape. So scarf weather. Love her drawing. I could not pass this kit up. Love this. I noticed that I'm using a lot of my fall kits, and I'm supposed to be using my Halloween kits. So yeah, so and birthdays, laundry, workout, to do, habit tracker, weekly checklist and box checklist, 3 checklists, deco, washi, and 1/2 and 1/4 boxes. Absolutely stunning. Love this one. This one is Autumn Vibes. Couldn't decide which one to get, so I got them both. Yes, I know. You're like, Eileen, you've lost your mind. Probably. I love her packaging. I love that it's reusable bags. Awesome sauce. Danielle for the win. All right, so we have some deco boxes. And what is this? This looks like, this might be a little too big for my planner, but I might put them on the side boxes. Ooh, I can cut this in half. Yeah, I don't mind. I definitely will cut this. Oh, I can just put it on my weekend. I don't mind. I really don't. Another washi. We have numbers. We have more washi. Beautiful. Look at that pie, guys. Could not help myself. Checklists, weekly checklists, habit trackers, more washi. So yeah, so this is more for journaling. I don't have a journal. But like I said, I like using different products. And yeah, so we have weekend and washi headers, washi checklists, to-dos, today, dinner, party, some deco, 1/2 and 1/4 boxes, more items over here. Beautiful banner. Oh my goodness. Can we say love, love, love? Absolutely love, love, love. Yes. I will make that work. Oops. You don't know. I didn't realize that it was so big, but it's okay because I got this. I'm not afraid to cut a sticker up. I know, you're like, Eileen, really? Come on now. All right, could not help it. Oh, these cute little freebies. Thank you, Danielle. Love them. Or did I get these? I can't remember. There is probably, she probably threw these cute little things in here. Oh my god. I love her colors. Like, they're so vivid, and but yet has that undertone of grunge and punk rockish. Love that. Candy corn, had to get it. She sent me these, and oh my god, I'm like so totally in love with them. had to get this. I just love pumpkin pie. Love it. And so we got the days of the week in black. Could always use that, definitely. We have the Big Happy Planner date dots, and we have the rainbow YouTube icons, and then we also have the neutrals, which I was like, oh, before you close, I definitely have to get this. I love this. This is just like so me. I love big bold things in my planner. Even though I don't have a big happy planner, I used to, but I'm gonna make it work. I really am. I love a challenge, and I love making things fit and work. So that is what I got, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. I am not gonna link, I'm gonna put the link anyways, but just remember that she will not be opening until January. She has closed her shop. She put it on vacation mode. And so yeah, so this is kind of a bittersweet haul, but you know what? I just want to give my girl Danielle Metal, aka Metalhead Planner, an awesome thank you, and I can't wait for you to come back. I hope that you have a fun and safe move, and yeah. So I will talk to you later, guys. Bye.